Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Very recently, we discussed the contempt case against two IAS officers of AP State, Mr. Shyamal Rao and Mr. Pola Bhaskar. Of course, they surrendered before the registry and appeared before the division bench and got stay orders on the contempt petition. Once again, such orders surfaced in the case of the Municipal Commissioner or Corporation Commissioner of Guntur Municipal Corporation. Chekur Kirti, she is an IAS officer. An Honorable High Court of AP at Amaravati imposed one fine of rupees 2,000 and punishment of 1 month to the commissioner. For what? For the contempt of the court. Let us go to the incident proper. In Kottapeta of Guntur town or now city, there is a chowdhury called as Yadavallivari sathram. Yadavallivari sathram, in which the municipal corporation, they are running a school. It's a municipal school. This sathram is to an extent of 3,300 square yards. And incidentally, the municipality is not paying any rent and they have literally occupied the chowdhury. And in this connection, Sri Kappagantala Janakiraman Sharma, he approached the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and last year on April 12th, 2022, Honorable High Court of AP gave directions that the corporation has to pay an amount of 30 lakhs or 1 minute, let me see it, 25 lakhs. That the corporation has to pay 25 lakhs as the arrears of rent. Actually, it's a suit for eviction, suit for Rent Control Act, and suit to get back the so-called mean profits. Of course, you may be confused to hear the words, particularly the youngsters or the people who studied CPC, they know these words well. Anyway, the Honorable High Court asked the municipal corporation to pay 25 lakhs before May 12th. On April 12th of last year, they have given a time of 1 month and asked the municipality to pay the arrears of rent to the extent of 25 lakhs. And from that time onwards, they have to pay rent. Each square yard 2 rupees, 3,300 means 600 every month the rent they have to pay. These are the directions of the Honorable High Court of AP. But the directions were not implemented. This is the main problem. Within 1 month, that is by May 12th, the corporation should have paid 25 lakhs, but the commissioner paid a deaf ear to the directions, or the reasons may be anything, we don't know. But she has not implemented the orders of the High Court. Then what to do? As usual, just Janakiraman Sharma once again, he approached the Honorable High Court of AP, alleging that the orders were not implemented. Immediately, it was taken as a case of contempt and notices were issued. The contemptor, she could not give a satisfactory explanation. Ultimately, day before yesterday, Honorable High Court of AP was pleased to pass orders regarding that contempt, that the municipal commissioner corporation commissioner is punished for 1 month and imposed a fine of rupees 2,000 under section 12 of the Contempt of the Courts Act 1971. What is contempt? Already you know very well, but for the sake of the people who do not know, I am telling. Contempt means causing prejudice, that is obstructing the proceedings of the court, that is criminal proceedings, criminal contempt. Civil contempt is not obeying the orders of the court. Maybe a writ, maybe an injunction order, maybe a stay order. If you violate, definitely you are liable to pay. You are liable to be prosecuted for contempt of court. You know the provisions of the Constitution of India also. Yes, High Court can take contempt as per the Constitution. That's why you may be knowing. You may be seeing so many government officers, they are asked to come and appear before the court and pay compensation. Here the important point is, no doubt, we feel sad that an IAS officer has to go to the court, she has to surrender. I think before January 2nd, she has to surrender. Of course, a leverage is given to her that she can approach the division bench and get stay orders. If not, she has to surrender before the Registrar General, Yadavallivari Lakshman Rao, on 2nd January 2024. These are the directions. But where we are failing, why we are not implementing the orders of the court? Shamal Rao Garu and Pola Bhaskar, they also failed to recognize the services of, after all, a junior, I can't say, an ad hoc lecturer, unaided post lecturer, JMJ College Tenali. They did not reply. So therefore they have to bow down before the court. Of course, everybody, we have to have a respectful attitude to the court. Nobody is expected to, nobody expected that he is above the court. Yes, everybody has to surrender to the orders of the court. At least if the commissioner had paid 10 lakhs or so, our request for some more time would have been sufficient. But without paying anything, that shows maybe the audacity of the government, or maybe the municipal commissioner's negligence, whatever it is. Now, what they have to do? Definitely they have to shell down the money. Why should you go to the taxation? Why should come in papers? As an IAS officer, you studied well, you are one of the cream of India. IAS, it's not that easy to get a admission in that, to get the post of IAS. So, better, once again, try to obey the orders of the court. Otherwise, the consequences will be like this. Okay, with this I am stopping. Thank you very much.